My name's Jackie Bender. I've spent over a decade living in major cities, in some pretty awesome apartments. But new apartment buildings are going up all the time, each one with bigger and better amenities. You can't possibly have time to see them all. But that's why I'm doing it for you. Come with me to tour some of the country's most spectacular apartment buildings. So today I'm going to check out Marquee at Block 37, which is right on Randolph Street. It's literally right in the center of the Loop.
Hi, Jackie.
Are you Jessica?
I'm Jessica. Great to meet you. Welcome to Marquee.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's our pleasure.
And I see why it's called Marquee, because we're literally right in the middle of the theater district. You definitely feel like you're just in the middle of the hustle and the bustle of the bright lights, big city. But then I was looking at your website and it looks so serene up on the rooftop, just 5 floors above here.
It is. We're really lucky and I would love to show you.
Yes,
let's go take a look.
Best of both worlds.
Perfect.
Let's go see. I think this is the biggest single event room that I've seen in any amenities floor. The main room you walk into when you get off the elevators is huge.
We have 40,000 square feet of amenities here, and the 5th floor has a lot. Residents can kind of find their own little quiet space. If they want to go that way towards the State Street, they can pick up their mail. There's some workstations down there in the conference room. Or if they want to kind of hang out and be more social, we have the cinema room and the event room space.
The ceilings are high. You can see in every direction, it just continues. There's hallways and more rooms, and the space itself is gigantic. The building is appropriately called Marquee because it's right next to 4 of the city's major theaters. And you can see these theaters in beautiful views from around the building. It's also just an amazing resource to be able to go to all these shows, and they're just right steps outside your door. So right off the main room on the 5th floor, there is the cinema room. And Jessica told me you can fit about 30 people in there, which is huge. That is just such a huge entertaining space to have. That's not even the main entertaining space. I feel like I would definitely be right here. I'd be right here in front of the fireplace with my coffee or wine, whatever beverage based on the time of day, and just reading or working. That would be my spot for
nice
sure.
And cozy.
But actually, I think my real spot would be the pool, which I'm seeing out of the corner of my eye. Can we go see that?
Yes, I'd love to show you.
Okay, the pool's always the best part.
Let's go.
It is definitely bright out here, and we're definitely in the middle of things. The pool is always my favorite part in these buildings, and this one did not disappoint. This pool was really, really big. There were 4 cabanas, plenty of seating. There were 6 grills, a lot of little tables so you can eat outside and entertain. One thing that really struck me was the landscaping. They had this tree that was so gigantic on this terrace. Jessica and I realized we're both from New Hampshire, which is probably just why I like Jessica so much. But this looks like a tree that they brought in from New Hampshire and put on this roof. It's a mini forest. I have never seen a tree that tall on a building rooftop before. Well, this amenities floor is pretty amazing. There's a lot to it, but then you have a whole second amenities floor all the way at the top.
We do. We have the rooftop.
All right, let's go see the top one.
Let's do it. So here's our Penthouse Fitness Center on the 38th floor.
I thought the views on the 5th floor were amazing, but the 38th floor is obviously a whole other level. The gym, like everything else, was really huge. I know I keep saying that, but I really was so surprised and impressed at every point at how big everything was in this building.
We also have fitness classes, so that includes yoga, which during the summertime we have out on our sky deck here. We have a spa room, so that includes a dry sauna and a steam room with eucalyptus oil.
So when we first got to the 38th floor, I found this chair that I was really invested in. Probably not a detail a lot of people pay attention to, but I spent quite a bit of time there. That would probably be my hangout on the 38th floor rather than the gym. I don't know how to get up though. All right, so we've seen all the amenities floors now, which has taken a while because there's a lot of it.
Yes, I would love to show you our beautiful 2-bedroom.
Okay, let's go see.
Let's go.
I feel like the theme for everything in this building is that it's just so much space. Huge closet in the front. It's like that's
closet.
A studio apartment right there.
Yes, you could probably fit a twin bed in there.
Yes, probably. I mean, the first thing I always notice is the closets. I'm here for the pools and for the closets. That's just a totally separate closet outside of the bedrooms. Inside the bedrooms, the closets were pretty amazing too. Like everything else, just a lot of space. Really nice finishes, quartz countertops, gas stove. You're right immersed in the middle of the city like this. You can see so many iconic buildings looking out the windows here. It just
Yes.
brings that energy into your space. I kind of didn't want to leave. We finished filming and I was like, can I just hang out in here for like a little bit longer? It was a really awesome unit. Well, I think, I've seen a lot of the unit, it's awesome, but one of the things I'm most excited about this building, and one of the things that's really most unique, is that it's attached to the Block 37 shops.
Yeah.
So can we go see that?
That's right. I would love to show you. It's a
Okay.
great feature here.
Sounds good. Oh my gosh. Yep, AMC right
What do you
there.
think?
It could not be any closer. We did not even go outside. AMC Theater, rock climbing gym,
Yes.
which I'll skip that. I'm gonna go straight to the shopping. But this is amazing to have all indoors. It's basically part of your apartment building.
Yes, residents have private access into the mall so they can come and go at their leisure.
Wow.
And they can also easily access the Pedway, the Blue, and the Red Line.
So for anyone who lives in northern cities, places like Chicago, Boston, Seattle, even New York, you know that it's cold for a lot of the year, and the indoor amenities are really important because you just don't want to go outside that much in the winter months. This building has more indoor and connected amenities than any building I have ever been in. Well, this tour has been great, but I kind of want to go shopping now.
Let's go.
All right, yeah, come with me. Let's go check out the
Let's
shops.
do it.
Thank you, Jessica.